The issue is not really whether you like me or not as your president. The issue is ang corruption, criminality, drugs. Matapos ko lang yung tatlo na yan, maganda na ang bayan ko, aangat na yan. Kaya bigyan mo ninyo ako. There are so many issues now about my going to China, about my relation with the US. I am not picking a quarrel with anybody. I just wanted to be friends. We don't. Then America maybe will understand it. But it takes time for them to, understand geopolitics, where I find myself now in the matters of the issues global, in some business. Then they want to put up another bank. Then you have this another body. At ang tayo hindi membro kasi pobre lang. Kalkulukuhan to sabi. Tapos sa EU, they want you to, ewan ko, pinirmahan ko ba naman tayo sa protocol? Sa gas emission? Hindi ako pipirma niya yawa na huwag mo akong limitahan kasi ratio and proportion ganon. Hindi ka pwedeng magtaas because ang climate change, kung bababa, ganon rin. Because the industrial nations of the world, you spewed up a lot of poison and gas all throughout this 100 years. Starting with your conquest sa Middle East. You took advantage of the fat of the land. Including the Philippines noon, 50 years and 400 years we suffered imperialism. Tapos ngayon, ganonin ninyo kami. Kayong umabot na, all along, you poison the entire planet. And yet, hindi na kami makataas. So, how can now I set up itong mga industrial zones? Kung limitahan mo ako, you have to approach it in a very realistic way. It could not be a binding treaty if it does not work to the best interest of my country. Kayo yung dyan, ilan mo natin factors? When did we ever improve? Almost stagnant na tayo. So we have to push talagang, and the only way to do it is really push forward. The only forward move that we can make is mag-umpisa sa gobyerno ninyo. Mag-umpisa talaga. Huwag kayo, sabi ko sa airport, una pa lang ako, gusto mo sabi ni Duterte, sampaling ka. Tapos sampaling, tawagan mo ako. Bato, pakita ko sa inyo paano magsipa ng tao sa publiko. Kaya ako, gano'n, talagang sisipa ko ng tao. Sabi nila, Duterte, hindi naman nalo yan kasi nanampal. Kung ayaw, gusto ng Diyos, di wala na. O pagkatapos ng gusto ng Diyos. Kaya huwag ninyo akong sisihin. Kung gusto ninyo, may galit kayo, gusto ninyo sigawan ninyo ang Diyos. Kasi ang Diyos naglagay sa akin dito. Okay? So, we all believe in God. Ako naman is, ang pamilya ko, even my son married a Maranao and Maramada, pati Tausug ang tatay. So it kind of mix in my mga apo ko, half of the line there is are all Moro. Each other Tausug or Maranao. Ako, but I believe in God. So God says that in the fullness of God's time, what He prophesied for this nation, the Philippines, will be realized. So with that promise of God, hindi yan akin. Ako, utusan niya ako. I will work to what strictly in accordance with what God wanted me. Kasi nga ang pagka-presidente ko, almost destiny. It's a miracle to me. So He wants me to improve my country, stop corruption, and make the lives of the Filipinos comfortable. Maraming